Hi, this is Dave with PC Tech Doctors. Just got our Galaxy S10 Plus in the mail. I wanted to do an unboxing video just to show everybody what's included when you open it up. And here we go. Again, my name's Dave. I'm with PC Tech Doctors. We do technology support for anybody over the internet and locally but in Southwest Florida between Fort Myers and Sarasota, Florida, on the Gulf Coast. Okay, well here we go. I'm going to open it up. Through here we got a couple. This is actually the first time I'm opening this. You got the two little plastic pieces here. Which we will now, let me cut them open. I thought it'd be easier to peel, so. Okay, now let's open that up. Okay, on this end we have our booklet, and right here it says that your device included a pre-installed screen protector. So, and that was something that was on the news that they were going to do, and here is the Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm actually upgrading from my S8 Plus, which is a slightly bigger screen. And here we go, and the back, I got the white. Might be hard to see in the light, but here's the white. You have your 3 cameras. And I'm going to power it on in another video. We have our power cable, USB-C, USB-A. We have another OTG cable, and we have our AKG headphones. And here is, without taking it off, is the actual wire. And here is the headphones, which I hear are very good. Again, this is our documentation, which I can take out if I use 2 hands. Doesn't want to come out, of course. Mine seemed to be stuck inside, but I got it out eventually. There is our SIM tool, your eSIM tool. And inside, I'm assuming, is our directions and whatnot. And here's our your legal and your getting started with your phone directions. And that seems to be it. We'll try to do another one. I also got in the mail an Galaxy S10e, which I'll do a similar unboxing. It'll probably be similar stuff inside of it, but we'll do one just so you have a baseline to see. Okay, this is Dave with PC Tech Doctors. Like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoy this video.